certification, Tonex Training. Visionary technologist Kevin Ashton instituted the term Internet of Things, IoT, in 1999, yet its actual origin may have begun in a 1926 Collier's magazine when futurist Nikola Tesla stated, "At the point when wireless is flawlessly connected, the entire Earth will be changed over into an immense mind, which in actuality it is, all things being particles of a genuine and cadenced entirety." While his vision of things to come was profound, it's dicey that even Tesla could have imagined multi-day when doorbells transmit video calls, contact focal points with inbuilt sensors give therapeutic data through deer investigation, or carport openers alter indoor regulators and turn on coffee producers. Truly, that future day is today, with an expected 50 billion Internet of Things devices expected to be associated soon. IoT Training. For engineers, specialists, students, business people, and pretty much everybody, having at any rate a fundamental comprehension of the Internet of Things is basic. That is the reason Tonex offers a few IoT courses to update people and associations regarding present and anticipated patterns in this quickly changing innovative field. IoT training courses offered by Tonex spread a wide exhibit of points, for example, IoT ideas, frameworks building, plan, construct, conventions, activities and the board, security and IoT arrangements covering conventions and correspondence, IoT structures and benchmarks. Industrie 4.0 Training, Industrie 4.0 Crash Course, 2 days. IoT Security Training, IoT Security Awareness, 2 days. IoT Training Crash Course, 3 days. LTE-M and NB-IoT Crash Course, 2 days. The Internet of Things Training, IoT Training, 2 days. Industrie 4.0 Training, duration, 2 days. Industrie 4.0 training course covers key ideas of future smart factories, the digital physical frameworks and physical procedures inside these processing plants, and the virtualization methods and wise basic leadership abilities which would bolster chiefs in driving these activities. Secure information, devices and strategies to drive change and influence Industry 4.0 over your association. IoT Security Training, the Internet of Things Security, duration, 2 days. IoT Security Training covers the Internet of Things security and talks about IoT conventions, potential dangers, vulnerabilities, abuse, information ruptures, security structure and relief. Different themes incorporate confirmation, web interface and software, transport encryption, the executive's issues, protection and security improvements and other IoT issues watched for different makers over all industry divisions. IoT Training Crash Course, duration, 3 days. The IoT Training Crash Course covers what the IoT is about, technology patterns, organizations and union. Figure out how to function with structure-associated devices, sensors, mechanization, organize interconnection, framework security, cyber security, information examination and then some. LTE-M and NB-IoT Crash Course, duration, 2 days. LTE-M and NB-IoT Crash Course is an altered LTE training that centers around basics of LTE get the technology. The training course gives an inside and out review of the different parts of the new LTE-based radio, LTE-M availability and NB-IoT ideas enhanced for IoT. The Internet of Things Training, IoT Training, duration, 2 days. The Internet of Things Training course, IoT Training covers what the IoT is about, technology patterns, organizations and union. Figure out how to function with structure-associated devices, sensors, computerization, organize interconnection, framework security, cyber security, information investigation, and that's just the beginning. This is a major IoT course covering the advances behind the Internet of Things and associated devices. Request more information regarding Internet of Things certification. Visit Tonex Training Course link on tonex.com.